Questions 1 through 10 on the 2008 Grade 8 Gauss Math Contest. The cost of 1 melon is $3. What is the cost of 6 melons? So we have 1 over $3 is the equivalent of 6 over, say, x. Cross multiply and we get x is equal to 3 times 6. And therefore x is equal to $18. And number 1 is C. In the diagram, the number line is divided into 10 equal parts. The numbers 0 and 1 and p are marked on the line. What is the value of p? Well, if they're equal, then this would be 0.1, this guy right here, and this next one would be 0.2 and so on. So 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. And then, of course, that would be 0.9. So p is 0.8. Therefore, number 2, the answer is D. What is the value of 2 plus 3 squared minus 2 squared plus 3 squared? 2 plus 3 is 5 squared, and then that's going to be 4 plus 9. So this is 25, and this is 13. So 25 minus 13 is 12. So number 3, the answer is B. Lakshmi is traveling 50 kilometers an hour. How many kilometers does she travel in 30 minutes? Speed is equal to distance over time, and therefore distance is equal to speed times time. So speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Time they've given us in 30 minutes, but I have to change that to hours. So that's half an hour. And therefore it's going to be 50 times a half, which is 25 kilometers. And therefore number 4, the answer is C. Evgeny has 3 roses, 2 tulips, 4 daisies, and 6 lilies. If he randomly chooses one of these flowers, what is the probability that it is a tulip? Well, the probability of choosing a tulip is 2 out of the total, and the total is 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 15. Therefore, 2 out of 15. Number 5, the answer is E. The heights of 5 students at Gleason Middle School are shown in the graph. The range of the heights is closest to. So we want to figure out the range. So that's going to be the tallest and the shortest. The tallest looks like this guy right here, or this girl, Emma, which is what, 175 approximately, most likely. And then the shortest is Kinley, 100 centimeters. So 175 minus 100 is 75, and that's the range. So 6, the answer is A. Circle has a diameter of 1. Circumference is? Well, circumference is equal to pi times diameter. That's a very famous formula. They're telling me that diameter is 1, so the circumference is equal to pi. And as we know, pi is 3.14 approximately. So that is between 3 and 4. So the answer to number 7 is B. Rich and Ben ate an entire chocolate cake. The ratio of the amount eaten by Rich to the amount eaten by Ben is 3 to 1. What percentage of the cake did Ben eat? So Rich to Ben, that ratio is 3 to 1. So in terms of percentages, it looks like this would be 75 and 25. Because the total has to be 100%. And this times that has to be 3. So now we're just asked what percentage belongs to Ben. Well, Ben is the 25%. So number 8, the answer is D. 26 letters of the alphabet are written in order clockwise around a circle. The cipher text of a message is created by replacing each letter of the message by the letter that is 4 letters clockwise from the original letter. What is the cipher text for win? All right, so the W, we're basically going 4 letters down, right? So W, X, Y, Z, A, B, and so on. So 4 letters down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be an A. I, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and so on, right? So 4 letters down from I would be 1, 2, 3, 4. M. So the I goes to an M. And then finally the N, 4 letters down from N, 1, 2, 3, 4 is an R. So there we go. When WIN goes to AMR, which is C for number 9. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 312. What is the largest of these 3 numbers? So we have the first one, the second one, and the third one. And when you add these up, the total is 312. So that's 6n plus 6 is 312. And therefore 6n is equal to 306. And therefore n is equal to 51. Now they want the largest of these 3 numbers, so that's this one. These numbers, first of all, will be 102, 104, and 106. So the largest, of course, is this guy, 106. So number 10, the answer is B.